Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start by gathering ingredients and measuring precisely. Use 8 large eggs beaten with 1 cup milk and 1 teaspoon salt, plus 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees F and oil a 10-inch oven-proof skillet with 1 tablespoon olive oil to prevent sticking. Chop 2 cups mixed vegetables like bell peppers and spinach and grate 100 grams of cheddar or pecorino. If using cured meat, slice 100 grams thinly and pat dry to reduce grease. Set a small bowl, heat the oiled 10-inch skillet over medium heat, and sauté the chopped vegetables for 5 to 7 minutes until softened and slightly caramelized. Add 100 grams cooked meat for 2 minutes to warm. Whisk the egg and milk mixture lightly and pour it evenly over the vegetables, tilting the pan for level coverage. Sprinkle 100 grams grated cheese across the top so it melts uniformly. Cook on the stovetop for about 3 minutes to set the edges and bottom before moving the skillet to the preheated oven. Place the skillet in the oven and bake at 350 degrees F for 18 to 22 minutes until the center is set and a knife inserted comes out clean. Watch at 18 minutes to avoid overcooking. Remove and let the frittata rest for 5 minutes to finish setting and retain moisture. Garnish with 1 tablespoon chopped fresh herbs and cut into 6 wedges for serving. Serve warm or at room temperature. Refrigerate leftovers within 2 hours and consume within 3 days for safety and best flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.